Welcome back to Outstanding Guru YouTube channel. Here are 50 gender knowledge questions about presidents and prime ministers of India. Let's begin. Who was the first president of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first prime minister of India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was India's first woman prime minister? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman president of India? Answer is Pratibha Patil. Who succeeded Jawaharlal Nehru as Prime Minister? Correct answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Yes, answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who was the first president to die in office? Answer is Zakir Hussain. Who became president after Dr. Rajendra Prasad? Correct answer is yes, Radhakrishnan. Who was the youngest Prime Minister of India? Answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Who was the first Sikh Prime Minister of India? Very good. Answer is Manmohan Singh. Who was the President of India during the emergency? Answer is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Who is the current President of India? Very good. Answer is Draupadi Murmu. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Answer is Narendra Modi. Who was known as the Missile Man of India? Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was the first Dalit President of India? K.R. Narayanan. Who was the Prime Minister during the Kargil War? Very good. Answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Who was known as the Iron Lady of India? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Who was the president during India's Pokhran 2 nuclear tests? Very good. Answer is K.R. Narayanan. Who served as Prime Minister for the shortest period? Answer is Charan Singh. Which Prime Minister launched the Make in India campaign? Answer is Narendra Modi. Who was the president when the Janata Party came to power in 1977? Correct answer is B. D. Jatti. Who was known for the Green Revolution in India? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Who was the first BJP Prime Minister of India? Answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Which president served 2 full terms? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was India's first acting president? Answer is V. Giri. Who was the president when Article 370 was revoked? Answer is Ram Nath Kovind. Which prime minister introduced GST in India? Very good. Answer is Narendra Modi. Who was the president during the Indo-China War? Answer is yes, Radhakrishnan. Who was the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India? Answer is Morarji Desai. Who served as both President and Vice President of India? Answer is both B and C. Who was known as the architect of modern India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which prime minister was assassinated in 1984? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Which prime minister was assassinated in 1991? Correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Who was the first Muslim president of India? Very good. Answer is Zakir Hussain. Which president was a scientist by profession? Correct answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Who launched Digital India Initiative? Answer is Narendra Modi. Which prime minister introduced LPG and economic reforms in 1991? Answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. Who was the president during the demonetization? Answer is Pranab Mukherjee. Who was the prime minister when 26th November Mumbai attacks occurred? Correct answer is Manmohan Singh. Who was the president during the Indo-Pak War of 1971? Answer is V. Giri. Who was the first president elected unopposed? Correct answer is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Who was called Man of Peace? Answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Who was the president when India hosted the G20 summit in 2023? Correct answer is Draupadi Murmu. Who was the Prime Minister when India got its new constitution? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which president served as a teacher before joining politics? Answer is all of the above. Who was the first president to fly in a plane? Correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which prime minister was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously? Answer is both A and B. Who was the first prime minister born after independence? Answer is none. Who became prime minister after Atal Bihari Vajpayee? Correct answer is Manmohan Singh. Who is the 15th Prime Minister of India? Answer is Narendra Modi. I hope this video was useful. For more such general knowledge questions and useful information, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.